What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. So this is going to be the part 5 of the Neo4j CYPHER tutorial. So this is the today's topic. In the last episode we have seen how to create nodes with label and properties, but in that video we have created only one node with properties and label together. But in this tutorial we'll see how to create multiple nodes with label and properties using comma separated character. Not comma separated, it's only comma. Okay, so let's open our browser over here and we'll create. So before going forward, let's check if something is there, or if something is there we'll clean it up. Okay, so let's create. So this is create n player. This is going to be like name equals to Leo, same tutorial again, and another, this is like p player name, probably Seer. Yeah, so this is one node, this is one node, this is label, this is label, this is properties. So let's run it. It's created. Let's check match n, return n, c Leo and CR7. If you go to the table column, table wise format, like key value pair, it is showing name Leo, name CR7. If you go here text, it is showing as a text, and code will check it in the later. So see, this is properties is player, this is, sorry, label is player, this is also label player, and if you click here, this is id 89 name CR7, this is id 88 name Leo. So this is the code. Just think about this one. This is separate, this is separate, everything is has been separated with one comma, and after that we have to use this create one. So this is very simple. So let me just copy paste it in my here, so it will be easier for me to include in the video description, so all of you can practice actually. So if you want to create one more node, you have to just use comma. So this is very simple. So this is one dictionary, this, and this is complete node. This is one, well, I think I did something. This is one dictionary with node, and this is also one dictionary with node and label. This is very simple. This is only one dictionary with nodes and this label, and there are actually two dictionary with two nodes with comma separated in between. We have separated these two nodes with one comma. So that's it for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed and you guys are learning actually Neo4j. I hope you guys are enjoying. So this is like we have completed 5 tutorials, and almost we have seen different like techniques of creating nodes with properties, with blank nodes, without properties, without like label, how to query using where clause with only id and all. So in the next tutorial we'll see how to create relationship. So I'm not going to delete this thing, so I will keep this as it is. So I'll be creating relationship between these two. So part 6 will be very important, because this is the first part where we are going to talk about some sort of relationship. Okay, so that's all for today guys. So please subscribe to our channel. Most of you already subscribed. Those are actually yet to subscribe our channel. Please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, share our videos with your friend. If you enjoying our videos, or if you like our videos, just do give some thumbs up in the like button. If you have some suggestion, if you want to communicate with us, if you have some feedback, if you are having any difficulties of learning anything, just do let us know via comment. I am always there to help you, and so my friend is there, Supratim, is also will be able to help you. Or also if you want to communicate with us, interact with us on regular basis, you can have, I have already given my email id, you can directly send me email. Our Facebook page is also very much active. You can also communicate us via the Facebook channel. So that's all guys, hope to see you in the next video, probably tomorrow. So till then, take care, goodbye. And I think this is also weekend going on over there all across the globe. So happy weekend, till then, goodbye and take care.